everyone, welcome back to Home Decor 101. Now, if you love warm, earthy tones, rustic charm, and a touch of desert magic, then you are in for a treat. Today, we're diving into Southwestern home decor for beginners. What it is, how to spot it, and how you can bring this timeless style into your own home. So, grab a cozy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and stick around till the end because I've got some iconic places that truly embody Southwestern decor inspiration. Let's get started. So, let's start off talking about what is Southwestern home decor. Southwestern home decor is a style deeply rooted in the landscapes and cultures of the American Southwest. So, think Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, and even parts of California. It draws inspiration from Native American, Spanish, and Mexican influences, resulting in a warm, inviting, and textured aesthetic. This decor style embraces natural materials, warm color palettes, and handcrafted details that make a space feel timeless yet effortlessly relaxed. So, what makes Southwestern decor unique? Here are some key trademarks of the style. You're going to see earthy, warm color palettes. Expect lots of terracotta, burnt orange, deep reds, mustard yellows, and dusty turquoise. These colors mimic the desert landscape and create a cozy atmosphere. It's almost like bringing the outside inside. You're also going to see some rustic, natural materials. So think wood, leather, clay, woven textiles, and stone. Rough-hewn beams and exposed brick or adobe walls are also really popular signature elements. You'll also see handmade or artisanal pieces. Hand-woven rugs, pottery, and carved wooden furniture add authenticity and depth to the space. You're not just going to see a lot of boring colors, though. You also see some texture, geometric and tribal patterns, whether it's a Navajo-inspired area rug or a bold tile backsplash. Geometric and tribal motifs are essential to Southwestern design. Lastly, you'll see some desert-inspired elements. You'll often see cacti, succulents, skulls, and woven baskets as decor pieces that really just hammer in and reinforce the desert vibe. But why do people love Southwestern decor? Southwestern home decor is incredibly popular because it feels warm, inviting, and timeless. The style strikes the perfect balance between rustic and refined, and its use of natural materials make it a sustainable and eco-friendly option. Plus, because it embraces handcrafted details, it's a great way to personalize your home with unique pieces that really tell a story. Another major plus, it works in any space, whether you live in a modern loft, a suburban home, or even a beach house. Southwestern decor can be adapted to fit different lifestyles and aesthetics. I think one thing that I love about Southwestern home decor is that it's a great fusion decor. You have modern Southwestern, you have some contemporary Southwestern, and you can even fuse Southwestern with like rustic. Just really personalize it and make it your own. Now, there are some challenges of Southwestern decor. Of course, every style has its drawbacks. Here are a few things to consider before going full on Southwest. The first thing is, it can feel kind of heavy. If overdone, the deep colors and rustic textures can make a space feel a little dark or overwhelming. The trick is to balance it with lighter neutrals or modern elements. That's why I mentioned the Southwestern Modern because that's a really popular fusion that a lot of people are going with now. The second challenge is not everyone loves the rustic look. If you're more into sleek and minimal design, the rough-hewn textures and warm hues might not really be your vibe. The last challenge that I'm really seeing is that authentic pieces can be a little bit pricey. Handmade textiles and authentic Southwestern furniture can really be an investment, but you can find budget friendly alternatives at places like Etsy, thrift stores, or home decor chains with boho collections, or even Amazon. If this is a style that you know you love, and you're not one of those people that likes to change your home decor style every year, then there's nothing wrong with investing in a really quality buffet or coffee table. But if you're not too sure about the style just yet and you're likely to change your minds, I would definitely go with a more cost efficient option. Now, if you want to see Southwestern decor in action, check out these iconic locations. So, the first one would be Santa Fe, New Mexico, known for its adobe style architecture, vibrant artisan markets, and rustic Spanish influences. This is really an awesome place to go to see this style up close and personal. If going to Santa Fe isn't in your plans right now, check out Sedona, Arizona. It's famous for its red rock landscapes and earthy bohemian decor found in a lot of boutique hotels and homes. So now let's talk about how to bring Southwestern style into your home. If you're starting from scratch or just wanted to add a Southwestern touch or fusion to another decor style that you already have, here are some easy ways to get the look. The first would be to start with colors. Introduce warm neutrals and desert-inspired hues through wall paint, throw pillows, or decor accents. Now layer textures. Use wool rugs, leather ottomans, distressed wood furniture, and ceramic pottery to create depth. You can also mix old and new, combine vintage and artisanal pieces. You can also mix old and new, combine vintage and artisanal pieces with modern furniture just to really keep things balanced. You can also add Southwestern artwork, hang geometric prints, or desert landscape paintings to really enhance the vibe. Sometimes when you go to markets where a lot of local artists are, you'll see some beautiful Southwestern paintings, and that's one of the things that you can definitely invest in and help out someone that's local along the way. My last tip would be don't forget the greenery. Cactus, agave, and succulents bring an organic, effortless touch to any room. And there you have it, Southwestern home decor for beginners. Whether you love the rich colors, the natural textures, or handcrafted details, this style is an amazing way to add warmth and character to your home. Hey, let me know in the comments if you're a fan of this look or if you've already incorporated it into your space. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any more home decor tips. Thanks for watching Home Decor 101. And listen, don't forget, whether you love the Southwestern home decor style or you hate it, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a spirit of gratitude. I'll see you guys.